What is the meaning of the Buddhist term liberation? Liberation in a Buddhist sense means that you become free of the form. This is liberation, free of the form. Because consciousness, or maybe good expression is also being or a cosmic soul, is formless. Consciousness is the fundamental reality in which the entire universe exists. And it has no form. We can describe it mathematically. There are different models of consciousness. But they don't reach to the consciousness, because consciousness in the fundamental principle has no form. So everything what has form exists, lies inside the consciousness, is embedded inside the consciousness. And everything what has a form is not a consciousness. That's why also the idea that artificial intelligence will generate consciousness is a big illusion. It will never generate consciousness. The very structure of this existence is such that we have different ontological levels. And the consciousness, the being, the cosmic soul, is of the highest ontological level. Is non-created, immanent, non-changing, has no entropy, eternal, and this eternity is now. This is the most amazing fact, that this eternity is now. Consciousness is always and only now. The entire universe is running into this eternal now. That's why a Big Bang cosmology is a model of a lowest intellectual level. This is so fucking stupid that you can get really a headache. Just today a friend sent me an article, actually an interview with a very prominent scientist about how consciousness works on the neuronal level. Also, this idea that consciousness is the result of the neuronal activity, it's a fucking stupid idea, you know. I warmly invite all the people, because many people are reading all this stuff about consciousness. Stop reading these books, stop reading this mental garbage. Because whatever we say about consciousness is a mental garbage. Because consciousness is a formless, and mind cannot reach formless. And meditation means that you empty your mind, that you totally empty your mind, so finally you can see what remains. And what remains, when you totally empty your mind, what remains is consciousness. Because you cannot remove consciousness. With the various techniques, you can empty the content of your mind. And when your mind is totally empty, then you have possibility to see what is there. Our inner sky is so full of clouds that we don't see the sky. That's the main problem of the mankind. So once you activate your ability of watching, then you start watching inside. And whatever is a form is not a consciousness. So by watching this inner space and the clouds inside, these ideas inside, these ideas and mental forms start melting. Consciousness is melting everything what is form. This is the very beauty of the human being, that you can, with the activity, with the awareness, with your own awareness, which actually is awareness of consciousness, you can melt whatever exists in your inner space. And when you melt everything, what remains is you.